Are you sure you're okay with losing these?
I don't mind.
Alright, I'm gonna go 3, 2, 1, go, alright? 3, 2, 1, go. Basically, we saw this TikTok where you have to bounce the ball 1 time and then 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and then 6 times exactly without messing up, and you have to catch it. The rules are you can't put your arm over, you have to catch it over here. And you're supposed to do it with a bouncy ball, but we don't have one, so fucking sue me. Alright, let's go. 1, 2, and now we're on the wrong side. 3, 4.
I've been doing $5 game.
5.
Oh, dude.
Oh, pressure's on, huh?
You want the Kobe shirt?
No.
Alright.
I gotta go for 6.
Yeah.
It's a little windy right now, too. Oh, it's so windy. So windy. Stop. Alright, so we waited about 3 minutes for the wind to settle down. So I'm not trying to fuck this up. Now, you ready?
Yeah.
That's 6, bro. It's a good thing we waited for the wind. That was worth it. That was worth it.
Dude, I can't believe we just did this.
What's crazier? That was all on our first try.
Alright. 2. Dude, can we stop doing this?
Is that 2 or 3, guys? Let me know in the comments. 3.
Was that 3?
Stop messing. No! Alright, so we're gonna be playing a game called What Are the Odds? I'm gonna go up to random people here and ask them what are the odds I can have money or anything to hold it. And whoever wins the most out of us 3 is gonna get $500.
Okay.
So you're gonna go first. For the people that don't know how this game works, basically you ask somebody a dare and then ask what are the odds. They give you a set of numbers and then you have to guess the number that they're thinking of. If you get it right, they have to do the dare. But if you get it wrong, like you see here, they don't have to do the dare. Cool? Cool.
What's the odds that you would give me $50? The odds you would give me your phone.
Oh, what are the odds that I can have your water bottle right now? Excuse me?
Hey, you didn't even ask me for my consent.
No?
No.
Get your script together.
No, I like this water bottle.
Okay, what about like your shoelaces? Your shoelaces.
Nice.
1 in 20.
3, 2, 1, go.
3.
Do I get your shoelaces?
No, these shoelaces. No, these shoelaces.
How's it going, guys?
Alright.
And what's wrong with those shoes, Jeff?
They're a bit beat. I have a sentimental value, you know?
I feel that. Ooh.
What are the odds that I can have that box?
Fuck it, 1 to 100.
Alright, one sec, bro, 1 sec.
Let's say 24.
24.
You do it?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're okay with losing these?
I don't mind.
Alright, I'm gonna go 3, 2, 1, go, alright? 3, 2, 1, go.
24. Oh shit. It was the shoes, right?
Yes, sir. Here you go.
Oh, dude, it's the Michigan, remember?
No. Dude, these are his favorite shoes, bro.
Oh, shit.
He's been wanting this for a minute. Yeah, those exact ones. What size are they? Imagine they're your size. There's no way, right?
11. Yeah. Rocking up size 11 dunks right here. It's probability, man. It's just 1 out of 100. We're on the same brainwave. Yeah.
Jeff, did you know? There's no way. You're pranking me right now.
No, I think you're pranking me, man. What's going on?
Well, you're not wrong. It was Jeff's birthday a couple weeks ago, but he was out of town, so we couldn't give him a gift. So we thought we'd surprise him with one.
And we're gonna tell Jeff, hey, we're doing this bit. Go up to strangers, ask what are the odds you can have whatever's in their hand, right? Then he's gonna ask what are the odds I can have your box, and then you're gonna say 1 through 100 because it's pretty hard to guess 1 through 100. Say number 24, and then before Jeff says his number, Avi, you're gonna be like, hey, number 24, and then he's gonna say 24, and he's gonna win the shoes, and then we're gonna tell him happy birthday. It sounds like to me this is staged.
Yeah.
Happy late birthday, Jeff.
Oh shit, thank you.
Look how beat these are, man. How long have you had these? Those are your only shoes, right?
Yeah, I mean that and some like Skechers, you know?
Hey, be honest, were you expecting that?
I was not. When I saw that it was Michigan dunks, I was like, that's
There's no way, right?
I was like, there's no way.
I finally got a parking ticket. Hey, Siraj, how do you never get parking tickets? Because you don't even have a parking pass.
When I got a ticket one time, I just used it as like a parking pass, and it worked for me all the time.
So basically what you're trying to say is this could work as a parking pass?
Yeah.
Oh, it kind of does make sense. There's 2 cops here and I'm pretty sure they're waiting for us to get a ticket. So we're gonna go and we're gonna check if this method works right now. It better work, bro. I'm not trying to get freaking taxed again. All right, peace. Thank you. Oh, also, before we dip, I do have a surprise for you guys. I hid 4 Easter eggs all around this video. First person to comment the timestamp for each egg will win 50 bucks, and I will pin your comment. Yeah, look around for the video. It's like a little bit of an Easter egg hunt. Only requirement is that you have to be subscribed to the channel, so hit that subscribe button. We do giveaways basically at the end of most of our videos, so if you don't get it this time, you'll probably get it next time. Ooh, I think it worked. Look, they stacked them on top of each other, so I couldn't tell that I got 2 tickets. That killed my day, I'm not gonna lie. You know what would make my day though? If you guys hit that subscribe button.